First at 10, we told you about flu cases spiking across Riverside County last week. Now officials say it's creating long wait times at urgent care and the ER. News Channel 3 Shay Lawson is live at Eisenhower Health in Rancho Mirage, looking out for you with how to navigate delays and still get the care you need. Shay.
That's right, flu season is here and doctors' offices are packed. Even our newsroom has been hit with some illnesses. Now, staff at Eisenhower Health, they say that influenza A cases are surging, causing longer wait times. I spoke with doctors about how to work around the delays to still get seen.
It is busier than usual.
Flu cases rising in Riverside County.
We've seen a significant increase in influenza A,
Leading to longer wait times in Coachella Valley hospitals.
if you're not quite as sick, there may be a little bit of a delay until you're seen, but all the orders are put in.
I got answers to the questions on people's minds as they face delays.
If you're sick, when do you go to urgent care and when do you go to the ER if you're having these symptoms?
It's mostly in the name. Urgent care would be for more urgent illnesses, and emergency room would be for something that is perceived to be potentially life-threatening.
Are there steps that Eisenhower Health is taking to manage the higher patient volume?
We have basically moved a great deal of our staff out to the waiting room area, so we triage people right away. We oftentimes, if tests are back and we can't get you a bed right away, we will bring you back into a certain area and we can see you and discharge you so you don't stay for an extended period of time.
Both doctors shared the steps to take if you're experiencing flu symptoms and can't get an appointment right away.
Tylenol for your fever. You can take Motrin, Advil, also ibuprofen for your fever, just for the generalized aches and pains.
If you're young and healthy and you're confident it's the flu, probably you just need the rest of the fluids.
With many heading out to see family, they shared how to stay healthy during the holiday travel.
Wearing a mask,
Washing your hands.
So we want everybody to enjoy this time of year and to see each other, but we want them to do it with a little bit of care and sensitivity to trying to keep all of us healthy.
Doctors say telehealth appointments are a good alternative for flu-related concerns. To learn more about local options, visit our website, KESQ.com. I'm reporting live in Rancho Mirage, Shay Lawson, News Channel 3.